Hello, I'm Mike Donahue, founder and director of Value Up. First of all, thank you for taking a couple of minutes to watch this video. The reason you're seeing it is because a school in your area thought enough of their experience with Value Up that they wanted to share it with you. That's one of the greatest compliments we could ever receive. For more than 30 years, I've had the privilege of speaking in over 3,000 schools across the country and around the world. During that time, I've spoken to more than 1 million students, and I've become convinced of something very simple. Today's schools are not just dealing with behavior issues. They're helping students navigate anxiety, identity struggles, social pressure, loneliness, unhealthy relationships, and the constant influence of social media. The question is no longer, how do we get students to behave better? The better question is, how do we help students understand their value so healthier choices naturally follow? Our Silver Package begins with a high-energy, story-driven, all-school assembly that gives students a common language around intrinsic value, belonging, healthy relationships, and positive school culture. But we also know one assembly, even a great one, is only the beginning. That's why the Silver Package includes much more than an assembly. You'll receive student leadership training, a parent presentation, a copy of the Value Up book for your school, classroom discussion guides, student activities, worksheets, and video teaching segments that help keep the conversation alive long after I leave your campus. Instead of students hearing one message for one day, your staff has practical resources to continue building that message throughout the school year. The goal isn't simply to inspire students, it's to give your school a practical starting point for creating a healthier culture, one where students understand their value, recognize the value in others, and begin sending positive value messages throughout your building. If you're looking for more than just another assembly, if you're looking for an experience that can spark meaningful conversations and provide practical tools your staff can immediately use, I think the Value Up Silver Package is a great place to begin. I'd love the opportunity to partner with your school. Thank you for everything you do for helping students and investing in this next generation. I hope to meet your students soon.